Hi, welcome back. I got this question. Manuj sir, can you share some B2B strategies, marketing tips for my B2B business? Yes, of course. Today in this video, we will be diving into some fantastic B2B marketing tips that will revolutionize the way you approach business growth. These strategies are designed to cater specifically for the Indian business owners, which are perfect for businesses just like yours. So let's get started. The first tip I'm going to give you today is define your target audience clearly. One of the most critical aspects of B2B marketing is knowing exactly who your target audience is. By clearly understanding your ideal customers' needs, pain points, preferences, you can tailor your marketing messages to resonate with them. Conduct market research and understand the behavior of your potential buyers, ideal buyers. The second tip I'm going to give you is leverage digital platforms. In this digital age, having a strong online presence is non-negotiable. Make sure your business has a professional website that showcases your products or services. Additionally, explore social media platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook. LinkedIn is a goldmine for B2B businesses. Regularly share valuable content, engage with your audience, and build a community around your company, around your products, around your brand. Third tip I'm going to talk about is content is king. Do you want to establish yourself as the expert and generate massive credibility and authority for yourself in your industry? Create high quality, informative, and engaging content to attract and retain your target audience. Content marketing can work wonders through blog posts or videos, ebooks, case studies, etc. Content is the fuel that powers your marketing engine today. Next tip number 4 I'm going to talk about is start using email marketing. Email is still one of the most effective marketing tools that have ever existed. I have seen the best ROIs through email marketing. Now build a strong email list and send personalized, relevant content to your subscribers. Share valuable insights, industry updates, exclusive offers to keep your audiences engaged and interested in what you have to offer. Next tip I'm going to talk about is strategic JVs, partnerships, and associations. Collaboration is the name of the game. Look for opportunities to partner with complementary businesses in your industry that do not have any conflict of interests with your business. Co-marketing campaigns, cross promotions can open up new avenues and reach a broader audience, leading to increased visibility and potential customers. For certain types of businesses, this can be the fastest growth strategy with low or almost zero capital involvement, almost zero cost. Next tip is measure and optimize. Keep a very close eye on your marketing efforts and track your performance metrics. Analyze the data to identify what is working and what is not. Use this information to optimize your strategies continuously. Marketing is a multi-iterative process, and adapting to changes in the market is essential for sustaining growth. My mantra, if you cannot measure, just don't do it at all. The next tip, which I'm going to talk about, is customers' testimonials and case studies. Happy customers are your best brand advocates. Encourage satisfied clients to provide testimonials and share their success stories. These social proofs can significantly influence potential customers and instill confidence in doing business with you so that they start doing business with you. So here they are, 7 powerful B2B marketing tips to elevate your business to a new height. Remember, growth takes time and effort, but with the right marketing strategies, you can overcome the obstacles and achieve the success that you truly deserve. I hope you found value in this video. If you found the content and context of this video valuable, please hit the thumbs up icon below this video. And of course, if you have not subscribed the channel already, please click the subscribe button or tap the subscribe button so that as and when we post new videos, you will be notified immediately. Now, there are 2 important announcements that I would like to share with you. I have started a WhatsApp community where I am adding people who want to stay connected with me, who want to have interactions with me, and who want to be notified earlier about my strategies, about my techniques, about the hacks, about the tools, and of course about the videos I am creating on YouTube. So I will be giving the link in the description box below, so you can click that link and join that community. Finally, I have also started conducting Wednesday business breakfast on all Wednesdays. Okay, if you are in Delhi NCR, I would invite you to join me on breakfast The location is at Rajuri Garden. If you are interested, become part of the community. I will share the details about the location. If you are not in Delhi or NCR and if you are a little bit far away, don't worry, you can join the session on Zoom as well. So I look forward to see you either on WhatsApp, and why either? In fact, I would look forward to see you on my WhatsApp group as well as at Wednesday Business Breakfast. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'll see you in my next video.